It's boring. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review on LSY hair, which can be found on Amazon or their official website. And here is the package right here. So they sent me a 16-inch full lace wig. Along with the hair, I also got 2 wig caps. So I'm going to be giving my honest opinion and observations on it. So this is the wig. It comes in this black net. And again, it is a 16-inch full lace wig, 1B color. The first thing I'm noticing is that this is a straight wig, but the vendor told me he'd be sending me a body wig. Yeah, here's a good look at the lace. And it's kind of pre-plucked, but I can definitely tell I'm gonna have to go in and pluck it way more because this is pretty thick. The hair is very soft, very soft. It smells good. I'm not getting any shedding. As far as the thickness, it's not that thick. So I'm guessing this may be like 120 density. I'm actually gonna put this wig on so I can see how it looks on my head, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the wig on, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go in and pluck to my hairline. But it's free parting, and it's a bit thin. I don't know. Let's see. The hair is very thick at the top though. But overall the wig is thin. I'm gonna have to go in and definitely pluck my part. Pluck my hairline, all that. The wig was a little bit too big, but it does have drawstrings in the back, so I just attached it to the last hole. Very flat. This is how it would look in a ponytail. This wig is definitely too big. Coming all the way down past my ear. But I have a pretty small head, so it's usually how it goes. I definitely like the feel of the wig. It's super soft, like I said, and I just love how it doesn't have a smell. I can tell there's some decent hair, it's just too thin. It's boring. Like I would have to put some curls in it to give it some life. It's super crazy right now. Yep, I'm gonna have to go in and bleach the knots, customize, and then apply it to my liking. So if you would like to see the process of me customizing this wig, then keep on watching. straightened out the wig as best as I could, and this is the final product. It's just not giving me that volume that I would like. It's still thin. I don't know, I feel like if you're in dire need of a wig, go ahead and buy it, but it's not worth it. I don't know. I'm just really going with the motions right now with it. When I wet the hair, there was a little bit of a body wave, but not too much, so I guess this is the body wave. It's just lacking the wave. But yeah, this is my final result. Literally, it's like what you see is what you get. It's not bad hair, so that's good, but it's not anything like super spectacular either. I'll probably style it again in the morning, but as of now, that's it. I'm not doing anything else to this wig. Toodles.